Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable flight price alert on Google Travel. Now, if you don't know how to access Google Travel, you can easily access that from Google and click the apps in the upper right, scroll down and find travel in the list, and that's going to take you over to the travel. Now, as you can see here, this is the Google Travel, right? Now, to basically turn on the flight price alert, you can simply go ahead and click the three lines towards the left hand side to expand this. Click on travel settings, and here you have the flight price alert. You can simply toggle that feature on, and so you're able to basically receive alerts for flight trips, right? So as you can see here, you can click and see track flights price here, so you can search for certain flights and you can be able to track them. So if I want to search for something, I can click on that and just basically search for it. And once you do that, you'll be able to track that alert for the prices and so forth. Yeah, so this is for example one, and you can see the details right here of this flight. You can see the duration and so forth, right? So let's say this is a flight, and you can go ahead and click the drop down here and you can see information about the flight and so forth, right? So this is how you can go ahead and you can even select the flight and so forth, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and check it, guys. And that's pretty much how you can do it. You will be able to actually do that once you're in your Google Travel right here. So that's very easy and very simple.